The straps are incredibly easy to use, and if you are trying to get pregnant or trying not to get pregnant, pregnancy tests can really add up. So I love that there is an option that you can get that is inexpensive, and you can get tons of pregnancy tests, so that if you're trying, one of the burdens you don't need to take on is the cost of those super expensive early pregnancy tests, because I've seen them at drugstores for like $15, $16 a piece, and that is insane. This has 25 test strips in it, and it couldn't be easier to use. All you have to do is rip it open. They come individually packaged, so it's really nice to be able to throw in your work bag or keep some at work, or throw them under the bathroom counter, or wherever you need to put them. You could even keep them in like a cute little jar, because I think they're packaged so cute. But they're incredibly easy to use, and all you have to do is pee into a little disposable cup. All you have to do is dip it in for 5 seconds, then you lay it flat, and just like that, it's going to tell you if you're pregnant or not pregnant. So it's just really nice to always have these around the house. Like I said, in case you're trying or not trying, sometimes you just need to know. And I love that it can tell you early, like up to a couple days before your missed period. Of course, if it comes up negative, you should and you think you might be pregnant, you should always retest again in a couple days, because your urine just might not have enough of that hormone in it for the test to be able to pick it up. But for me, I have found these to be incredibly accurate, incredibly easy to use. And I just love the affordability option of it. Yes, and I know it's not necessarily maybe as convenient as being able to take the cap off, pee on a stick, put the cap back on, and then wait your 3 to 5 minutes to read your results. However, for the amount of money you are saving by not buying those individual big ones that look like a marker that have the cap that you pee on, this is just so much more affordable. This is just exactly how they come. So they've got individually packaged, and then they have the directions on the back of each package, just in case you forget or you want to throw the box away. It'll tell you exactly what to do on every single one of these. So just super affordable and super easy to have on hand for whenever you might need them. And I just like that the results are super easy to read. You're just focused on whether it's 1 line or 2 line. So I know it has not been 5 minutes yet, but you can see how that's showing me 1 line, which means not pregnant, which it should be accurate for me. So it's just nice that, especially if you are trying to conceive, you don't have to spend a ton of money every month, especially if you're doing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tests. Like, I have a friend who when she's pregnant, she takes like 2, 3 to 5 tests right away, because her mind just will not let her body her mind believe that she's pregnant. So she needs to see it again and again and again for assurance. And if you are having a hard time getting pregnant and you are trying to take 3 to 5 tests every time you're testing, it just adds up a lot. It's just a lot of expense for something that isn't necessary. 1 test is going to be just as accurate as any of the other tests, so you don't need to spend a ton of money. You might as well just spend a little bit of money and get 25 tests in a box and be able to use them whenever you need them.